How to check real-time flight status and update on trip.com. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to check real-time flight status and update on trip.com. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to log on to trip.com website. So trip.com is basically into traveling by air. So if you want to travel by air, you can use trip.com to have an stress-free and successful flight. So they help you to arrange your flight and organize your flight. Everything about your flight will be taken care of by trip.com. So once you're logged into the website, at the top left corner you're going to see trip.com, that is the logo trip.com. So after it you see we have the search box here. You can search out destination, attraction, hotel, and so on. At the top right corner you see the icon help, you see the icon USD, you see the my booking icon, you also see the profile icon. Okay, so you can just explore these icons. Okay, you see the trip coins icon also. You can scroll down the page to see the several advertisements that has been displayed on the homepage. You also see the pictures of hotels that are available in several locations with their prices attached to them. So if you are interested in any of these hotels, you can just go ahead and book them. So you can just scroll down the page to have an overview of what trip.com is all about. So now to check real-time flight status and update on trip.com, it means you must have booked a flight already. Here I have not booked a flight, so for you should have booked a flight already, and the one you have to do is to go to the flight that you've booked and check the real-time flight status and updates, because there are several updates that will be displayed on that particular flight that you've booked. Okay, so you just click on the particular flight that you've booked and you check the updated or the displayed update or the flight status on trip.com. Okay, so make sure that you log in, you have an account on trip.com, click on the booked flights. Once you click on the booked flight, you check the real-time flight status and you check the updates that are constantly being displayed on the booked flight. So it's very simple. Okay, you can go ahead and do that. Here I have not booked any flight. Okay, that is why I'm not able to show you. So and if you see that you're facing any difficulty doing that, at the top right corner just after app, the option app, you see the icon help. So you click on help and you're directed to the help center or the customer support, where you're going to see when you're going to be given answers to your questions. So make sure you find out the search box, you type in your question, and you follow the instructions. Okay, so since it's about flight, you type in your questions and you follow the necessary answers and instructions that will be displayed right on your screen. Okay, so you just have to be patient for you to be connected to the virtual agent that's going to attend to your question. So you can see already that the search box or the box has been made available for you to type in your question. So you type in your question on how to check real-time flight status and update on trip.com. Then you click on send, and whatever instruction or information that is being displayed on your screen is what you're going to follow in order to successfully check real-time flight status and update on trip.com. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.